So this is a set of historic blueprints. One of the most important things that an architect does is to draw drawings like this that show how a building is supposed to look, essentially making instructions for the contractor so they know how they're supposed to build, what the measurements are. So these are the instructions, in this case from a project more than 100 years ago. And I love these old blueprints because you'll see not only the building in section, but you'll also see small details about the plaster work happening here, what's happening inside the wall there, the detailing of what's happening with the rivets on the door over there. So as an architect, when I'm starting a renovation of an older building, this is where I start. I'm looking for how these assemblies work, how the details and joinery works, to understand how my new design or new construction can fit with the old, how it can be respectful of what was there, and ultimately so I'm not having to repeat everything or reinvent anything simply by taking field measurements. This tells me what the intent was originally by the architect and engineers.